is a tropical country, and this has made us an expert in cooling systems. Our expertise, combined with a lot of deep thinking, has created products that are recognized around the world for their quality. We constantly think about ways to maximize the quality of our products. Thailand is one of the world's top 2 manufacturers and exporters of air conditioners under leading world-class brands as well as local brands. Our skilled workforce and advanced production technology help make us a manufacturing hub of quality products that are attractive, durable, and able to meet the functional needs of consumers in the global market. With expert personnel, we are able to ensure quality production and installation of large-scale air conditioning systems. And thanks to continuous development in cooling system technology, we are also able to manufacture equipment and parts for related industries and export them to several countries throughout the region. Thailand is one of the world's top manufacturers to use high-quality, eco-friendly refrigerants in our air conditioners. We think about technology that will help save energy for you and for the world. With demand for air conditioners projected to grow, we continue researching to create innovations that will make the world a cooler place. Today, Thai-made air conditioners are the most energy efficient in the world and a recipient of the Energy Globe Award. We think up groundbreaking innovations to drive our refrigeration industry ahead in the world market. Thai manufacturers have expertise in refrigeration, cold storage, and large-scale ice making. We can design systems for energy-efficient production, offering significant cost savings. With these quality levels, we are able to export ice makers to over 29 countries around the world. Thailand is also recognized as one of the world's top 2 ice machine manufacturers in terms of production capabilities. With continuous innovation, Thailand is the trusted choice to install central air conditioning systems in many high-rise buildings around the world. As a consequence, Thailand is world-renowned in large-scale cooling system installation. In Thailand, we think deeply and in detail in order to create products of the best quality as well as eco-friendliness. As a result, Thai products are recognized by the world as being of high standards. Think cooling innovation. Think Thailand.